How to operate a Siemens controller. I think this Siemens 828, for those who want to know how to operate this one. Different machine have different or manufacturers have different way of ensuring that you're able to operate the machine. For example, there are machines which are using what we call absolute encoder, where you don't need to home the machine, and others are using incremental encoder, where you need to home the machine. So when you want to start the machine, once you power on from the mains, this is a Siemens 828D, the basic one for turning. So you just release the emergency, and then you switch on the power. Normally, power is green button. The screen comes on. The screen comes on. You can home the machine. In case the machine requires to home, you just click this icon, then you select. Always for turning, you can start with Z, and then you click the positive. You click this positive icon, you hold on it. But before you run this, you see the tip for 828. It's not the same as the 808. So there's these two buttons you need to initiate: the spindle start and the feet start. So that you now, when you go to home button, you click the Z axis, then you click on the plus. You see the machine goes home. I can zoom close for you to see it. You click on the X, and then you click on the positive side. Machine goes home. If you want to move it manually, you just click on the position, then you go to jog. You now click on the Z axis, go to Z negative. You can click this, the two of them, it goes faster. Positive, you can click on X, go to negative, go click on negative, pass faster, or positive, faster, like this. So this is a way of homing the machine in Siemens mode. If the machine requires for you to home. Also, this is for spindle override. This spindle override. This is for feed rate override. And then you have the what you call machine control panel for jog mode. If you want to move the machine manually, you just click jog mode. Then you select the axis. You pick where you want to move. X-axis where you want to move, like that. Then you have what to call teaching. You have various. This you need to learn this. I cannot show you now. You can come to a center. We'll show you how this means. This controller can operate up to the the 9 axis. If it has the fourth axis, 5 axis, 6 axis, so this controller can operate even up to the 9 axis. And then you can click this machine code system or workpiece code system to show the movement of the machine. For example, here, if I want to home now, I can click here, then I click home button, then I press this. You see now on the machine code system, it's giving us 00. But if I click on this button again, then I go to jog, I change this button, you see the limit of the machine, which means X can go up to, can hold a maximum diameter of 270 and can hold a maximum length of 600. I can also home my spindle here. Let me go to my spindle or the fourth axis, for example. I can click home button, the fourth axis. You see this, the fifth axis, you see the sixth axis, you home all of them if in case the machine can support this. But if it doesn't support, then there's no need of homing this. Okay, then go to jog mode, and then we can go to TSM, or we can go to spindle here, go down to spindle. I can put, let's say 5,000. Machine is through, let's say 3,000, for example. And then gear start, click and enter. Move to this one, for example. Click here, select auto mode. Then clockwise here. Other functions I can put here G54. I can put 54. I want to put G54. Select this one. Then input. Machining plane, I'm using G18. Then from there, I can just click cycle start. But before that, you need to close the door. Always close the door. And then click cycle start. You see now you are activating the spindle. The spindle is now rotating. If I want to come here, I want to maybe rotate my master. For example, if they have two channels, for example, you can select here, but this one is a one channel, which means it is S1. If it is two channel, it is S1 and S4. If it is a three channel, it can be S1, S2, and S3. So it depends on the channel you have. I can also initiate here. I want to put maybe 5,000. I can increase 5,000. Click input, then cycle start. You'll see the spindle speed increases from here. You see the spindle speed increases. So you need to know the maximum speed of the machine. So here the spindle speed will always increase. This is how to start the machine, and this is how to warm the machine.